Hello, my name is Yuri. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enter contact data for the accounts you imported earlier into the Import Excel macro provided by Oracle. I am importing US contacts, and I already pasted in the number of the mapping I uploaded in the application. Just like accounts, I start with resource email to ID mapping because each contact record must have an owner that's validated by the list on this worksheet. To populate the list, I click the Populate Resource attribute, enter the host name, the username, and password. Here's the list. Now let's enter the first contact. I leave the contact number blank. The macro automatically populates the unique IDs for contacts when you import. I select a prefix, I enter the first and last names, and the job title. Now let's enter one of the emails from our list of resources as the record owner. I enter phone numbers in two numerical fields, the country code and the phone number. No formatting permitted. And the contact's email. For addresses, I have two choices. I can either reference an existing address or enter a new one. This particular contact is located at the same address as the account I imported earlier. So, instead of importing the address a second time, I will reference it. I open the file I used to import accounts and copy over the unique ID for the address from the Address Location OSR column. If you are entering the address instead of referencing it, you leave the Address Location OSR blank and make your entries in the address columns. Notice there are additional columns available for address information if you need them. I'm not quite finished. I must link the contact to the account. I open the Account Import macro again and copy over the account number. Lastly, I indicate that this contact is the primary contact for the account. I can import many contacts for the same account, but only one of them can be primary. I entered the rest of the contacts, so let's review. Contacts with entries in the Address Location OSR column are referencing existing account addresses. For contacts with new addresses, this column is blank and will be generated when I import. Each of my contacts is associated with an account. If you don't reference an account, you end up with a contact that's not linked from any account and available only in the Contacts work area. Thank you.